Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Javac is not recognized on Windows 10. This is an error often encountered by people trying to compile Java programs on Windows using command prompt. It might also be encountered when users try to check the current version of the primary Java compiler. Step 1. Installing the Java Development Kit. First, open your browser and download the latest available version of the Java Development Kit. Link download in the description. Once the download is complete, open the JDK installation executable and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. As an additional recommendation, note down the installation path under Install 2, because you'll need it in Step 2. Wait until the Java Development Kit is installed. When the process is complete, restart your computer manually if you're not automatically prompted to do so. Step 2. Setting the Java environment variable on damp. Updating the system path. Press Windows key +R to open up a Run dialog box. Then, type system.cpl and click OK to open the System Properties window. Inside the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Environment Variables. In the newly opened Environment Variable window, click the New button under System Variable. In the new System Variable window, set the variable name to Java Home and the variable value to the path to your JDK directory. To save the changes, click OK. Now that you've returned to the Environment Variables window, look for a variable named Path under System Variables. With the path variable selected, click the Edit button. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click on the New button. Name the newly created environment variable %Java Home %bin and press Enter. Then, click OK to apply the changes. With this last step, your Java environment should be configured. Step 3. Checking if the configuration was successful. Open Command Prompt as administrator. When the Command Prompt window appears, type echo %Java Home % and press Enter to see which return you get. If you see a print with the directory to the JDK, Step 2 was successful and your Javac is operating well. Thanks for watching this video.